Deep within the secluded woodland territory, a precise excavation begins for a sophisticated, hidden underground modern cabin structure. Initial groundbreaking requires the careful removal of topsoil layers to preserve the surrounding ecosystem and forest floor. Engineering a stable underground perimeter demands vertical precision to prevent soil collapse during the intensive building process ahead.
A level base is critical for the structural integrity of the modern cabin frame within this primitive environment.
Sourcing materials from the immediate vicinity reduces the carbon footprint while providing naturally rot-resistant timber for walls.
The foundation beams are positioned carefully to create a sturdy platform that isolates the interior from ground moisture.
Traditional joinery techniques ensure that the cabin remains flexible yet strong under the immense weight of the earth.
Waterproofing is a vital step in underground architecture to prevent dampness from infiltrating the finished living space. Structural uprights define the internal layout, providing the necessary support for the heavy roof and soil overburden. Attention to detail in the framing process allows for a seamless transition between the rugged exterior and interior.
From within the excavation, the sheer scale of the project becomes apparent as the walls reach ground level.
Hydrostatic pressure is managed by a perimeter drainage system that directs water away from the primary cabin structure. A descending entryway creates a dramatic transition from the open forest into the intimate and protected underground refuge. Flooring installation utilizes reclaimed timber to enhance the warmth and aesthetic quality of the cabin's modern interior.
A central hearth provides essential heating and a focal point for the underground cabin's minimalist design philosophy.
Refined interior finishes contrast with the raw earth outside, creating a sophisticated atmosphere within the wilderness retreat. The roof structure must be engineered to support several tons of earth for effective thermal mass and camouflage. Strategically placed skylights are essential for bringing daylight into the underground cabin and maintaining a healthy living environment. Replanting the forest floor on top of the structure completes the visual concealment of the modern hidden cabin. Air circulation is maintained through discrete vents that blend perfectly into the natural landscape to ensure occupant comfort. The entrance door is designed to be airtight and thermally efficient, keeping the internal temperature stable year-round.
Thermal energy from the hearth radiates through the stone mass, providing long-lasting warmth for the entire cabin.
Interior furnishing follows a functionalist approach, maximizing the utility of the compact and efficient underground living area. The architectural flow emphasizes a connection between the depth of the earth and the light of the sky.
Total camouflage is achieved by utilizing indigenous plant species to cover all traces of the recent construction work.
Reflective surfaces are minimized or angled to prevent glare that might reveal the hidden cabin's precise location. Off-grid utility systems are seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry to maintain the cabin's clean and modern lines. Precision engineering ensures that the different materials expand and contract without compromising the cabin's structural seal. Subterranean living offers a unique acoustic environment characterized by extreme silence and a profound sense of isolation. The thick layer of earth acts as a natural insulator, keeping the cabin cool in summer and warm. Space optimization is crucial in small-scale architecture, ensuring every square inch serves a practical and necessary purpose. The integration of the entrance into the hillside minimizes the visual impact of the structure on the landscape. Infrastructure is kept basic and mechanical to ensure long-term reliability in a remote and harsh forest environment.
Living underground provides a rare perspective on the sky, turning a functional window into a dynamic art piece.
Structural engineering is verified as the ground remains solid under the weight of a person walking above.
Non-toxic finishes are selected to maintain air quality within the enclosed and well-insulated subterranean living volume. Modern technology meets primitive survival through the use of high-efficiency lighting powered by renewable energy sources. Advanced stove design ensures that the cabin remains hidden by eliminating visible smoke and reducing fuel consumption significantly.
The cabin serves as a focused environment for creative work, free from the distractions of the modern world.
Managing water runoff is the greatest challenge for any underground structure, especially in high rainfall forest regions.
The cabin disappears completely as the autumn leaves fall, further obscuring the entrance and the rooftop skylights.
Constant maintenance and inspection ensure the long-term viability of the cabin's sophisticated and hidden underground systems.
Soil engineering plays a critical role in providing both the insulation and the protection required for survival. The play of light and shadow creates a sense of depth and movement within the small subterranean space. Safety is a priority, with an emergency egress route providing a secondary path to the forest surface.
The living roof supports local biodiversity while providing an additional layer of thermal protection for the interior.
Every element of the interior design is tailored to the specific needs of a long-term inhabitant.
The structural honesty of the exposed beams highlights the raw power and strength of the cabin's architecture.
Completion of the project represents a successful fusion of modern design principles.
At night, the cabin remains a secret, only revealed by a soft light glowing from deep beneath. Handcrafted details emphasize the human connection to the building and the surrounding natural materials of the forest.
The resilience of the underground structure is tested as heavy seasonal rains impact the surrounding woodland ecosystem.
Success is measured by the interior's dryness and stability during the most extreme weather events in the
The cabin is equipped for long-term self-sufficiency, providing a secure location for food storage and
Water management systems are designed for simplicity, ensuring a reliable supply without the need for complex electronics. Energy harvesting occurs at a distance to prevent the cabin's location from being revealed by shiny surfaces. Subsurface utility lines maintain the aesthetic of the untouched forest while providing essential power to the structure.
Thermal mass efficiency is demonstrated as the cabin maintains a stable temperature without the need for constant.
Winter provides the ultimate test of the structure as the ground freezes and snow adds additional weight.
Subterranean architecture offers unparalleled stealth as the winter landscape blankets the structure in a layer of white.
The cabin becomes a warm sanctuary in the frozen woods, protected by the insulating properties of the clothing. Accessing the hidden home requires careful movement to avoid creating tracks that would give away its location. High-quality thermal breaks in the door design prevent the extreme cold from entering the living space.
natural light returns to the interior as the snow is removed from the primary overhead window system.
The thermal battery effect of the stone masonry is essential for maintaining comfort during the long winter.
Living in the hidden cabin requires a shift towards a slower and more deliberate way of life. The interior aesthetic is a testament to the idea that minimalist modern design can thrive in nature. Ongoing structural monitoring confirms that the engineering choices made during construction were correct and remain very sound.
Passive ventilation systems work effectively to maintain a fresh and safe environment within the enclosed underground space.
Managing internal humidity is a key technical requirement to prevent mold growth in a subterranean dwelling environment. Self-reliance is supported by having the right tools and knowledge to manage the cabin's infrastructure independently. The atmosphere of the cabin shifts at twilight, becoming a cozy and secure burrow against the night. Architecture that respects the land becomes a part of the landscape, rather than an intrusion upon it.
The cycle of the seasons proves the durability and the success of the hidden underground cabin's design.